Dear learners, welcome to our online class. How are you? I think all of you are well. I am also fine. It's very cold today. Here is my identity. I am Minnatun Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Police Science School and College, Rangpur. And here is our selective book, English for Today for Class 7. And our discursive unit is Unit 1. Dear learners, here is a picture. Please look at the picture and what can you see here? In the picture, we can see here mother is working, washing some dishes, and beside her son is standing. They are discussing about something. Can you guess what are they discussing? Okay, dear learners, today's our lesson is In the House, lesson 3. We will discuss about In the House, lesson 3. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to follow instructions, commands, request, and act accordingly. Use sounds, stress, and intonation. Ask and answer the question. Have a look again. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to follow instructions, commands, request, and act accordingly. Use sounds, stress, and intonation. Ask and answer the question. Dear learners, here are some vocabulary. Please have a look. Mop. It's noun, a stick with soft material. A stick with soft material attached to one end especially for washing floors. Mop, that means a stick with soft material attached to one end especially for washing floors. Mop, verb, to use a mop to wash something. To use a mop to wash something. Detergent, noun, a chemical substance in the form of powder or liquid for removing dirt. A chemical substance in the form of powder or liquid for removing dirt. Untidy, adjective, messy or unclean or disorderly. Problem, noun, a situation that causes difficulties. A situation that causes difficulties. Suitable, adjective, acceptable or right for someone. Acceptable or right for someone. Certainly, adverb, without any doubt. Without any doubt. If you need time, please have a look. Take your time, please. I think you have finished. Now come to the text. Please have a look. Mother, Reza, will you come here, please? Will you come here, please? Mother requests Reza to come to her. Reza, yes, mom. Mother, look, the kitchen is very untidy. I want to make it neat and tidy. Would you give me a hand? Mother requests Reza to help her to clean the kitchen, which is very much untidy or disorderly. Reza, sure. Reza agree with her mother. Mother, could you take the pots and plates from the table and put them in the cupboard? Mother, could you take the pots and plates from the table and put them in the cupboard? Reza, okay. Mother, first I will sweep the floor. Will you bring me a broom, please? Mother requests Reza to bring her a broom to sweep the floor. Reza, here it is. Mother, thank you. Now I am going to mop the floor. Could you get me a mop and bucket and some detergent? Reza, no problem, here they are. Mother, thanks, dear. Reza, welcome. Here is a matching. Match the sentences in column A with suitable answers in column B. Some answers in B may match more than one question. Column A. Here is column A. Would you read the shopping list? Would you go to the market please? Will you buy me 1 liter of cooking oil please? Would you buy me some rice? B. Certainly I will do it. Why? Rina is watching. No, thanks, I have with me. Yes, I will. Sorry, I can't. I have left my glasses in the study. Again A. Would you need some money? Would you like some tea? Will you switch on the TV please? Would you tell her to watch TV at 10 p.m.? B. Yes, I would love to. What for? Okay, how much? The answers are: Would you ready for the shopping list? Would you read the shopping list? Sorry, I can't. I have left my glasses in the study room. Would you go to the market please? What for? Will you buy me 1 liter of cooking oil please? Certainly, I'll do it. Would you buy me some rice? Okay, how much? Would you need some money? No thanks, I have enough with me. Would you like some tea? Yes, I would love to. Will you switch on the TV please? Yes, I will. Would you tell her to watch TV at 10 p.m.? Why? Rina is watching. Here is your homework. Suppose your relatives are coming to visit you. Write a dialogue between you and your sister on making your room. I may repeat. Suppose your relatives are coming to visit you. Write a dialogue between you and your sister on making room. Dear learners, thanks for today. Be safe and follow the rules of hygiene.